Good morning. Welcome back to the Wild and Free 2.0. If you can think it, you can dream it, you can build it. Sometimes we must rebuild. We had a pretty big storm like everybody else in the nation. And yeah, I just got out here to the property and it's nice and icy. Pretty frozen. We're gonna go do a quick walk. I'm gonna fix these solar panels so they get back upright like they should be. And I really need to get them under control and get them mounted up somehow. But it is a brisk 29 degrees right now. Everything seems pretty frozen up. It's gonna make driving through the low water crossing a lot easier. And we're gonna head down there right now. So we're gonna walk down here at the creek, take a look-see. Look at this, stalactites. They're upside down, right? Wow, so we still got water flowing. Got a bunch of silt built up in there. We got water. Doesn't look so bad right here. We need to find out where this water's coming from. Is it just puddling? We need to do better, because it's going to present us some issues, especially this right here. This is no good. I'm pretty sure it's coming from up there. As you can see, we got a start of our little pond right here. This is it's a good sign when maybe the second biggest rain we've gotten. This is probably the largest amount of rain. Hasn't puddled like this yet, but we didn't have this road in, so it was sheeting across easier. But yeah, this is definitely something we're gonna have to work on. Let's get the excavator back out here and start doing some work. That way we can get all this cleared up. Gotta get this big log moved. Gotta get it cut up. I need it for timber. You can see this back here, this water. It's coming down from up there. This is a big ridge. Ridge to the right, ridge to the left, and it just pours in here, especially down here in this creek. I'm gonna do some work to get that cleaned up. That way we can have a contained and controlled creek, and won't have to worry about this being so wet down here, because that's the biggest hurdle to get us to the mobile, to the house. You know, song. All right, let's go check on the rabbits. Well, they don't want to come close to me. They're all playing hide and seek and stuff, and I've counted 3. I saw the black one when I was walking up. Now there's one outside, so they can get in and out. So they're coming in and out when they want to, I guess. At least I think that one was already on the outside. 1, 2, let's see. Well, maybe he just got out. They can get through the fence, I think. Some spots. All right, the alarm's going off. Hopefully that helps to deter some of the animals. It's picking up on me, so let's get away from here. This is almost like, did this just really happen? Is this happening right now? Am I really diving into getting this piece of equipment? And the answer is yes. Yes. I should have done this last year when I was approved to get it initially back in, gosh, maybe it was 2 years ago even. It's been a while. I just figured, you know, I don't want to make that payment. But for what I've spent, it would have cost me less. Paying others and rentals, it would have cost me less, and I could have sold it, you know, this year and been on top of the game and ahead of it, you know. So there's that. So when you're thinking about buying a new piece of equipment, especially if you're out here in Columbia, reach out to me and I'll get you in contact with my sales rep and he'll hook you up just like you hooked me up. Great deal on this thing. Way better than I was expecting, honestly. And we're going to see what kind of performance we can get out of it. I'm going to get to driving. There we go. Loaded up, ready to go home. And then I got to get over to the property. A whole lot of money.
Oh, you worked your ass off.
Oh, it's dark as I thought, but it's good.
Oh, it's beautiful.
It's just like all the rest of them.
But it's yours. Wow.
Dome light for easy access and light at night. Maybe there's a little bit of a spoiler behind me. Maybe. It's a week after the snow came down, and it's still here. There's still a lot of ice left. Today's the first sunny day, really. Well, yesterday was kind of sunny too, but today's really the first sunny day. And I'll show you right here. We took the kids and took them for a little bit of a ride a couple different days. How fun is that, right? What dad would do that? This guy. We're gonna go out to this falls place that has a lot of ice, probably snow. I'm sure it's gonna be slippery, but we're gonna go out and explore a little bit, see if we can even get back there and find out just what it is. The girls went there in the summertime. I haven't been back. I can't remember the name of it. Slomy Falls or something like that. But it's still pretty snowy out here right now. Snowy, snowy, snowy. Let's go take a look at the animals while we're here. You like that crunching? I like the crunching. Everyone's doing good. There's a couple of rabbits that live under the boat. We call them boat rabbits now. There's these two guys, those two guys. Everyone's in pairs here, except for the chicken. What are you doing? What are you doing, Chase? Marshall? Got these little baby goats. Got him. Chicken. I don't know where the ducks are at. Where are the ducks at? Boys, where are the ducks? Go get them. All right, we're going to get loaded up and start heading out to the falls. I'll put a link in the description down here of where we're headed. Kind of cool place, not too far from here. 10 minutes normal, probably 20 minutes driving now. Well, I was 100,000% wrong. This is StillHouse. StillHouse what? StillHouse Hollow. Your pants falling down? London britches falling down? Somebody was quite fat when she bought these. You know, they're a little loose. It happens. See if we can catch Michaela falling on her butt. All right, we're gonna go for an adventure now and see how well it goes. It's really not chilly out here. It's pretty. Looks like a snow-covered forest, right? That's what I'm gonna say. Let's get to hiking.
And the ground isn't frozen, you cannot walk this like this. You have to take the path, like you think, because it's so grown over. But it's so beautiful right now.
Oh, there's some stairs for our trailer.
I have so many layers of cotton, and Scotty's just holding it.
No way.
I'm trying to duck my clothes.
Are they falling down?
Yeah, all of my clothes.
That hurt to fall down there.
Are we really doing this?
All the way there and all the way back.
Well, did you make it?
Did you make it?
I'm burned out. I think I blew out my hip.
I think. Thank you for coming.
Wow. That's some serious incline, at least elevation change of a couple 100 feet. My knees hurt. My hip hurts. But we did it. Get down there and hit that like and subscribe button and make sure you share this with your friends. Hey, so I just got this. It's a backup camera. We're going to install it on the back, obviously, because we're going to back up, right? I'm going to put this on the Kubtoa. Sorry about the sun. It's bright right here. Poor video, thought. We want to install this. Apparently it's only a 10 and a 12. I already pre-assembled everything. It's pretty simple. It's not worth paying, a couple $100 to have someone else do it. I think it was about $400 for it. but it's going to make a good piece. It's going to, yeah, it's going to let us back up without looking. Should never back up without looking. Well, she's on her way. We finally get the excavator to the property and start to get some things done. Drew came out. He's a local here, a good homesteader, and he's gonna take it out to Lexington for us and put it on the property so that way I can get out and do some work this weekend when I get some time. Hopefully it'll stay nice. It's kind of frozen outside a little bit, but hopefully it won't be too muddy. But I need to start knocking down some trees. Off.